Clickfunnels Bridge Page. Thank you for interesting in Clickfunnels Bridge Page. I have been working on a detailed video to explain you the latest information about this. Clickfunnels Bridge Page. Thank you for interesting in Clickfunnels Bridge Page. I have been working on a detailed video to explain you the latest information about this. So until that video comes, I recommend you to watch the top Clickfunnels benefits, offers and features in the next video. Nowadays as well as age, the different methods of your online organization can help or destroy you. Do you know how most services are having an existence online? Clickfunnels Bridge Page. Click the link below in this video for more updates. With websites, the real problem here is that the sites on internet have actually advanced substantially over the last decade. Now the approaches of old sites doesn't work in today's businesses. In the last years, it could make sense to have a normal site with a homepage with a menu with a service, price, about us and contact us page. A potential lead could go to your website, scroll below. Then he would see the different sites and hopefully consume any material. However, if you are a business or service that spends any money on advertising, you may want to regulate a little bit what your traffic and customers are learning about you and your business in your site. For example, the possible deals at the right time. But what you are most likely to want is to make the most profit from each person that comes to your website. So how do we archive this? Thanks for watching this video and subscribe our channel for more new updates.